Laing is considered to be a staple in most Filipino homes, particularly in Bicol. This recipe is simple to follow and uses readily available ingredients. Making it at home is easy and fuss-free. It is primarily made up of dried taro gabi leaves, simmered slowly in coconut milk. Remember to cook this dish low and slow so that all the flavors can come together. This dish is typically enjoyed with a serving of toasted low-carb bread. To cook, you may fry the pork first or just combine the coconut milk, pork, aromatics such as ginger, onion, and garlic in a cooking pot. Let it boil. Once the mixture starts to boil, gently add the dried taro or gabi leaves. Simmer for 10 to 20 minutes. Pour more coconut cream and slowly fold the leaves and then continue to cook for 15 more minutes. Add fish sauce. Add the chilies and scallions. Cook for 10 to 12 more minutes. Transfer to a serving plate. Enjoy!